We know that the ordering process is more complicated for a restaurant, but Pocket POS is enabled with all of the features required to make this process as smooth as possible. Now, a couple come into your restaurant and take a seat at a table. The first thing is to take their drinks order. So let's say they would like a Coca-Cola and an orange juice. Then you need to allocate the order to a table number. So click on the top bar for Table Order and select their table number. Let's say that it's Table 1. Then click Save and then click Save and Print. This will send the order to the printer and the printouts will clearly show the drinks order with the table number. If you have a dedicated printer for drinks, then it will go straight there. Later, the table will be ready to order their food. Now press Retrieve Orders on the top bar and select Table 1. Let's say they would like a Hawaiian pizza and a lasagna. Again, click Save and Print, and if you have a kitchen printer, it will go straight there. The drinks that were previously ordered will not be printed again. Once the diners have finished their meals, let's say they order a dessert. So select Table 1 again as before, and select the desserts category. They order a brownie and an ice cream. Once they're finished, it's time for the bill. Select Table 1 as before and select Pay. At the top right, select Print Bill. After the receipt is printed, the colour of the table turns to green. This is to indicate which tables have nearly finished. When the table pays, go to Table 1 again as before, select Pay, and carry on as per the previous examples.